Hi there. Before we dive into this tutorial, kindly consider subscribing to our channel to ensure you never miss an update. Also, a like is very appreciated. Additionally, for our non-English speaking audience, kindly turn on subtitles for a more seamless viewing experience. To do this, just click the settings button on the video player, select subtitles, and choose your preferred language. Let's get started. Welcome to this tutorial video on how to change the channels list transparency on SmartOne application. By adjusting the transparency of the channels list, you can personalize your viewing experience and make it more enjoyable. To change the transparency, follow these simple steps. First, navigate to the Settings option in the main menu. Next, select Setup, then choose Application Settings. Scroll down to the Channels List Transparency option and click OK. From here, you can adjust the transparency level by selecting a number between 0 and 100, with lower numbers indicating less transparency. After selecting a transparency level, press the OK button on your remote control to save the changes. Let's see how the channels list looks after we set the transparency to 50. As you can see, it has started to become transparent, and it will be more transparent if the number is closer to 0. Keep trying until you find the perfect level of transparency to suit your preferences. Thank you for using SmartOne application. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to customize your channels list transparency. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials, and if you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@smartoneiptv.com.